Alright, good morning. We just arrived in Makati. We're gonna shoot a PVC today. So you can tell, it's a nice bright day. So, walang traffic, walang problema. Let's get it on.
It was only after I graduated from college and came back to the Philippines was I able to enjoy traveling locally.
Yung dating niya, alam mong hindi common, hindi siya ordinary.
I'm better off riding my motorcycle whenever I do my work because I can leave later and I can come home earlier. It's not just a fun way or fun means of transportation, but it's also a very practical one.
This is the guitar of my idol, Robert Smith, the Robert Smith signature guitar. Robert Smith is the singer-guitar player of The Cure. It's black. It looks like my bike now. Later on, I added guitar, and then later on, dirty guitar because it sounds like me.
I enjoy doing stories dun sa malayong lugar na bihirang marating din ng mga tao.
I chose this bike because of its versatility. You get the best of both worlds. You can ride in the city, you can ride out of the city.
Parang sa akin, hindi mo matatalo yung motorsiklo. Andun na yung social distancing, di ba? Andun na yung mabilis kang makakaalis sa bahay mo, makakabalik din. It's really made for this situation, I think, ng bagay na bagay, swak na swak.
Yeah, each destination will always be memorable if the people that you want to be with is going to be with you.
You'd only understand it once you get on the bike, once you get on two wheels.
I can't see the future. Can't see. I just follow the wave and ride it and see where it takes me. But there's always music because music is my life. It's part of me. Even when the world stopped, I'm making more music every day.